sticker things. I'm opening this because this bad boy. The iPhone, stay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy fall, happy October, my favorite month. So, I thought this would be a great time to spoil myself a little bit. Finally got my hands on this bad boy. Let me tell you, I didn't think I was gonna get this until like November. This was on back order. Got this phone through Verizon. I got it through the trade-in deal, which is still going on if you guys are interested. It is a $800, I believe it's $800 off on the new iPhone if you do a trade-in. But before I go into this, let me show you guys some accessories that I got. So through Verizon, they say if you get the phone, you get like 2-3 accessories, $15% off, I believe. I can't remember right now. So I got this MagSafe charger. And in this comes with, let's see, instruction manuals. Does it come with the iPhone sticker? Let's see. And the MagSafe, so you can see. I didn't see an iPhone sticker, unfortunately. That's like the best part of all with these iPhone products, but that's okay. The next thing that I got through Verizon was this OtterBox glass protector blue light. I won't be opening this because I did find something cheaper on Amazon. At the time, the iPhone 14 Pro products are not really in right now. But Amazon finally came up with a price, and this was, I think, like $39.99 or something. And I'm still a college student, so I will be returning this. But if you're interested in getting it, this is at Verizon. And then the last thing that I got at Verizon, which I am also returning, is this camera lens protector. Now let me tell you about this protector. Online, this protector is one of the recommendations for the phone, right? But I noticed that at the bottom it said it was for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So when I talked to customer service, I'm like, hey, is this going to fit the phone? They're like, no, I don't know why it's on there, blah, blah, blah. You should be able to return it once you receive your package. I said, okay, cool. Lo and behold, as you can see right here, it's for the iPhone 6.1, and I believe the 6.7 is the Pro Max. But yeah, so if you're, I don't know why. Anyways, so long story short, this would be able to fit your phone. If you want to find something cheaper, I believe they're on Amazon as well. But yeah, so this was also at Verizon. Some things I got from Amazon. Your girl loves pop sockets, so I found this ring holder. I did say Pop Socket has their own like type of magnetic thing if you have a magnetic case, and I was gonna get it, but it's a lot of bad reviews, and this was honestly like the only good review. So let me unbox this with you guys. Oh, and let me down in the comments if you guys want me to do it like an update or something like that, so let me know how these products are going. If you guys are interested in purchasing, just let me know in the comments. So it comes with this thing, and this goes right here on the back of the phone. Then I got, these ones came from Verizon, these ones came from Amazon. I got the diamond sparkly camera lens protector. Here we got some dust-proof sticker things. Oh shoot. And some wipes, and then it comes with the, it's really cute actually. I like it. If you guys can see. It's really cute. And the last thing I got was from Amazon, I got this casemate. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it kind of has like that rainbow effect. And I will be opening it with you guys. Alright, so it just comes with this case, and I love it. And the last accessory that I have, I already put it together before. It is this magnetic wireless charger that you can just mount your phone on while you're driving. I have not used this yet, obviously, but here it is, also from Amazon. When you plug this in, I guess this is all going to light up, and it just mounts in the back, which I think is so convenient. So we will be seeing how this goes. So like I said, this is all the accessories that I have for my iPhone. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a deep review of how these accessories went, and I'll be happy to do that. Now, let me stop talking and finally get into this phone. I mean, this is what we're here for, right? So this is the iPhone 14 Pro in silver, and the reason why I'm really doing this review is because when I go on YouTube, all the reviews are like, I don't know, they're just unboxing the phone and that's it. And me personally, I was trying to look at the color. It was really hard for me to see like the color in silver. I saw the gold pretty well, but something about the silver phones I just couldn't see, and I almost got the gold one. So yeah, so this is going to be a full detail of the color. So let's get into it. My favorite part, you already know. Shh, Mariah. So satisfying. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. So, this is what came out the box. And she is beautiful. I like the size so far, just from looking at the phone. Let me see if I can do a little close up. It's more white. It kind of reminds me of like the iPhone 4S when it first came out, but it's really, let me get up close. It's like this silver, up close, it's really like a silvery shimmer that unfortunately I just cannot get on my camera. I'm so sorry. Oh, there we go. You guys see that? The little silvery shimmer. I love it. It's really pretty. Alright, so let's put this aside. Let's see what is in the phone. So we got your typical cords, manuals, and I think an iPhone stickers. Yeah, here we go. Here, finally an iPhone sticker. Alright. So let's do this. And also my favorite part. So this is such a pretty phone. I love it. This really does remind me of the iPhone. The iPhone 4S was actually my first phone, and I really like that they brought these sidings back. Oh wow, this is really pretty. So we got your buttons on the side. I almost looked for that button at the top. You guys remember back in the day that was an on and off button. The new people wouldn't understand. And then we got the bottom. So yeah, I really like this phone. Know later on how I like the phone when comparing to this is my phone that I have currently. It's the iPhone 11. Yeah, it basically it's not really working that well anymore, but I want to do a comparison side by side so you guys can see. So this is, yeah, it's like definitely wider and taller, not by much, but the iPhone 11 is thicker. Yeah, and I have small hands, and this, honestly, I don't like big phones. I kind of wanted the Pro Max, but I knew when I had the iPhone 6 Plus, that was constantly falling out of my hands, and this is like the perfect fit for my hands. This is exactly what I wanted. So, yeah, So here we got the iPhone 14 Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll stay tuned for the next video. Bye!